Hello, welcome to my review of the Ryobi Ergo screwdriver, electric screwdriver from Ryobi. It is a 4-volt screwdriver. This is the pack it came in. So as you can see, it's got micro USB, which I thought it might be USB-C, but it's not. And then you've got the different heads and obviously 10 different bits. So it's a reasonably hard case, just a zip, unzip. There's the charger, pretty standard, micro USB. These are the bits here, just standard kind of bits. This is the actual device itself. Has a nice light that lights up, but I did find that this switch here moves a bit too easily. So if you're sort of screwing something in, you happen to lock it in or something and you have it the other way, it just kind of, yeah, it moves too easily basically. Then you've got your light there to say it's charging, then that's the charging port. So this is not the removable 4-volt battery version. They do a 4-volt removable battery version, but this is not it. This is just all encased battery with the whole unit, and it doesn't turn as well, so it's fixed as like a gun trigger basically. But it does have this awesome feature which is part of the Ergo. So you remove this cap and you can use there, so you can get into things that are like tight to something. So maybe a ceiling is here and then you've got a light fitting and you want to get into that and screw that up, do that up. So that's that. But you don't have to have it like that, so you can have it like that as well. Yeah, so you can use that. So that's that one. And then the right angle one, very similar principle. You just put your bit in the end there and you can get into all those awkward places basically. You haven't even got to have it sort of square, so you can actually have it slightly off center. So it's a really good screwdriver. Used it to put together a whole chest of drawers for my daughter. And the battery is still lasting, so it was able to do probably 2 hours worth of putting this together, the unit, and the battery's still going strong. So really good battery life. Actually has quite a good strength as well to be able to screw in, but not too much that you'll ended up rounding things off. Overall very good. I am actually sending this back because I did thought it was the removable battery version. So I'm going to get the removable battery version at some point, but for now it's a really good unit. So there you go. So this is the Ryobi Ergo electric screwdriver, 4-volt, which is their new system. Give it a look. Many thanks for watching. In a bit.